Here we are at step 1, and what I want you to start with is we are going to apply medium as a base, and we're going to let it dry. And in order for me to do that, I want to do it two ways. One is I'm going to take the the medium, which is the flowable extender. I'm going to put some of it with some water on here, and I'm going to mix the two together. I want it to be a little bit diluted, so it's about half and half. I think I had more water than medium, so we're going to add just a little bit more. Now, the reason I'm doing this is I want you to do 2 of the circles with straight medium and 2 of the circles with the diluted medium, because I want you to see what it does. Here we go. I'm going to take straight medium from here, and we're going to just go ahead and paint it right in the circle. I'm only going to do 1 each of these because you can do the second one without having to see it done again. Okay, so now I've got this filling this area. I want to take the next one, I'm going to go pop over so that I know that they're not the same. And I'm going to apply the watered down version of this. And the reason I'm doing this, I want you to see, you can see how it goes into the fabric much more quickly. And it will not be quite as thick, well, obviously durable. Because it's wet, it's going to take a little longer to dry as well. Okay, that's step 1. We just want to get that on there so that we have a place later after it dries to come back in and show you how the Inktense works on it.